For comp2152, recording my assignment 2. Student number 101383635. So for here, we have import random, import string libraries, both of them in. That runs fine. And then for connecting the collab to my drive, I use this right here, which should connect just fine. It was already connected. Perfect. And now to do this, to do this part where it checks to see if you have a score already, or if you have a file called score.txt already in your drive. This is what I did here. So if we run this, no file, we will make one for you because I don't have a file in here yet, just shown there. So max score, we define that as 0. Okay, and then we have import. So for this part, really making the game here, we have a import random, as was already imported before. Excuse me. We have the max score, the global scope, right? Again, so we have random int for a and b between 1 and 10. Operator random choice. We have plus, minus, and multiplication. So then we have a bunch of these. It's kind of just all random, gets randomized, and gets chosen through. So then we ask the user what is the result of A operate, and then the operator symbol, and then B. And then if they answer correct, then it goes to congratulations, you are a pro, and the score gets incremented by 1. And then again, if the answer is wrong, the score de-increments by 1. So if we can run this here, solve 8 plus 5, that is 13. And he says, congratulations, you are a pro. If we run this again, and I'll put, to get it wrong, we'll do 7. It says the correct answer is 4. Let's try another question. Okay, now we got the infinite loop where it continually asks the user if they would like to do it again or if they want to exit. And then depending on after, it shows you the score. If you press Y, then it goes again. If you press any other character, then it will just leave. So if we run this, what is the result of 6 times 1? 6. So my score will be up to 1 now. We press Y to continue. Score 3 plus 3, we'll say 6. Score is up to 2 now. And we'll go for another one more. 7 times 8. 7 times 8 is 56. Okay, perfect. Okay, any other character, we'll put a K. Thanks for playing, you got 2. Okay. Now, if we can run it again, I'll show you that it goes down if you get it wrong. Say I put in 3 here. Answer is 9. Okay. Now, if everything's working correctly, the score should go down to 1. Thanks for playing. You got 1. Okay. And now to save it into here, we're going to run this. Score saved successfully. So I come into here and I just refresh. You will see that should have made. There it is, a score.txt, and it should have the score from before of 1. Let's look. And it says 1 up right there. Perfect. Okay, so then part B, the quadratic game. So we say print welcome to the quadratic equation game. Perfect. And it's going to say print, this is the quadratic formula. Okay. And we're going to float here for enter that value of a. So we'll say if it's 7, and we're going to say it's 6, and we're just going to say 9. Okay. So now it'll display the quadratic equation from the values that we have just entered before. So we got 7, 6, 9. Okay. So we got to define this the function called a discriminant, which we have done. It returns, the same quadratic formula. Perfect. And then here we got import math library. We import that, and then we have from before the formula. So then it also asks again, right? Just bringing that back. And it displays your quadratic equation, and then discriminant of ABC, which equals to D. And then D is the result, and depending on the result, we have either get 2 real solutions, 1 real solution, or the discriminant is negative. So we can run this to show. Enter a value of A. We'll say 1, 5, 6. Quadratic equation of -2 and -3. If we run this again, we got 1, 1, 1. Discriminant is negative. We got a pair of complex solutions, therefore. So then here at the final end of it, what I had to do is I changed the output of each one would be solution message. So whatever was written in the file can be solution message compared, just so it can change on whichever one. So yeah, so we can run this. It runs perfectly fine. And thank you.